Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to remove the header from the last page in Microsoft Word. This is especially for useful when creating reports, assignments, books and professional documents where the final page should remain clean and header free. In this video, we will discover the correct method using section breaks and header setting to remove the header from the last page without affecting the rest of your document. So let's get started. We can see here the all page have a header. This is the assignment. Now I want to need the remove of header on the last page. Go to the last page, then go to the layout menu, click the break drop down menu, choose continuous, then double click on the header, then click the before page, then again click the layout menu and make it continuous, then double click on the last page, then go to the back the last page before page, then turn off link to previous, then double click, select the header and remove it, then close the header and footer. Now we can see the all page have a header but not the last page. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.